When we see parentheses in an equation, we have to clear them before touching our four-step checklist. But we have to ask ourselves, do I multiply or do I divide? The answer depends on the number outside the parentheses and the terms on the other side. Look at this equation. 3 times open parenthesis 2x plus 1 close parenthesis equals 4x plus 11. If you try to divide by 3 on both sides right away, the left side will be fine, but on the right, the 4 and the 11 divided by 3 gives you fractions. Just like we try to avoid negatives, we always try to avoid fractions when dealing with equations. To keep your math clean and easy, your default move is to distribute first. Think of the positive 3 outside as a security guard checking in on a house. The security guard can't just check the living room and leave. They have to check every single room inside. In math, we say that we distribute to all the terms inside the parentheses. That means multiplying the 3 by 2x and by plus 1. 3 times 2x gives us 6x, and 3 times 1 gives us 3. Put them together, and the left side becomes 6x plus 3. Just like that, the front door is unlocked and the parentheses vanish. The number one mistake that would happen here, writing 6x plus 1. That security guard inspected the first room but completely forgot to check the second room. Always double check that the outside number hits every single term inside before dropping those parentheses. Now look at the second equation. 2 times open parenthesis 3x minus 1 close parenthesis equals 4x plus 6. Before you distribute, check the other side. Does the outside number divide evenly into every term over there? 2 goes into 4x twice and 2 goes into 6 three times. Because the numbers fit perfectly, you can divide both sides by 2 right at the start. The parentheses vanish instantly, the 4x becomes 2x, and the 6 becomes 3, leaving you with 3x minus 1 equals 2x plus 3 without doing a single multiplication step. Let's test your decision making on a third equation. 4 times open parenthesis x plus 2 close parenthesis equals 3x plus 15. Should we divide by 4 first or distribute? Look at the right side. 4 doesn't divide cleanly into 3 or 15. So dividing first traps us with fractions. We distribute. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 2 is 8. Now we have 4x plus 8 equals 3x plus 15. Once those parentheses are cleared, the problem falls right back into our universal checklist. Step 1, simplify. Neither side has like terms to combine. Step 2, collect variables. Target the smaller variable, 3x, and subtract it from both sides to get x plus 8 equals 15. Step 3, collect constants. Subtract 8 from both sides to isolate x. Step 4, divide. And since x is already isolated, we immediately get x equals 7. Remember, distribute when fractions lurk, divide when the numbers fit cleanly. Either way, you are in complete control of the problem. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop your trickiest equations in the comments below.